Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Emma Dwi Aryani and teams from Polytechnic Manufaktur Bandung. Today I would like to present our research about ergonomic risk identification of technical drawing table using Nordic body map and rapid upper limb assessment method. This study at the drawing studio at the Polytechnic Manufaktur Bandung. Our outline today start with introduction and then methodology, research discussion, and the final is conclusion. In the field of manufacturing design education, technical drawing is an essential activity that requires precision and focus. To support this process, classroom furniture such as a drawing table plays a crucial role in the shaping of the learning experience of students. At Polahan Bandung, drawing table were originally designed at large A0 size to accommodate precision design tasks. Over time, these were resized to A3 format to save space and adapt to the growing use of digital tools. Despite this adjustment, several challenges have emerged. The existing tables are aging and no longer available in the market, which make repair and replacement difficult. At the same time, the increasing number of students across the department has placed additional pressure on the limited facilities. To respond to this issue, the Department of Engineering, Design Engineering introduced cost-efficient modified drawing tables that can be placed on standard desks and are equipped with the rotating profile drawing boards. Although these modified tables provide a practical solution, they also bring new ergonomic concerns. Technical drawing activities often require students to maintain prolonged static posture, perform repetitive movement, and adopt upward upright sitting positions. These factors are strongly associated with the risk of musculoskeletal disorder, which can negatively affect a student's health, reduce their productivity, and hinder their overall learning performance. So this study aims to identify the evaluate the ergonomic risk associated with technical drawing table at Polahan Bandung by applying the Nordic body map to pinpoint area of discomfort and the rapid upper limb assessment to assess postural risk. The research seeks to provide a systemic evaluation of student working condition. The ultimate goal is to propose ergonomic improvements for drawing tables, supporting a redesign effort that foster a safer, healthier, and more effective learning environment. The study was conducted in the drawing studio at the Department of Manufacturing Design Engineering, Polytechnic Manufaktur Bandung. A total of 42 first-year students participated who used the drawing table between 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. in the drawing studio during the study period. Data collection method used a Nordic body map and rapid upper limb assessment, direct interview, and anthropometry to measure the study body dimension appropriate test size. NBM analysis score categories into risk level based on a Likert scale table, and RULA analysis score classified according to RULA risk level. Moderate risk identified requiring corrective action. After collecting measurements from all of 42 students, normality test, data uniformity test, data Savient test, and percentage calculation to ensure proposed design fit and the majority of students. And the result and discussion data on musculoskeletal complaint are obtained from the result of the Nordic body map questionnaire. Based on the evaluation of the musculoskeletal complaint, it was found that the upper and lower neck, right and left shoulder, back and waist, hips, and right hand were the body part most frequently experiencing musculoskeletal complaint, with percentage exceeding 45%. Furthermore, the classification of musculoskeletal disorder risk levels show that 31 students were at the low risk level, 9 students at the moderate risk level, and 2 students at a high risk level. Postural assessment was conducted on students after using the drawing table to identify postures that may lead to musculoskeletal disorder. The results show that the final RULA score ranged from 6 to 7. A score 6 indicates a moderate risk level requiring further investigation and corrective action, while score 7 indicates a high risk level necessitating immediate ergonomic improvement. Additionally, the data from NBM questionnaire revealed that individuals with moderate of high risk level also tend to have high RULA score. This finding suggests that the students with high RULA score are at greater risk of injury due to the poor posture. In providing recommendation for improving the drafting table, this is necessary to first measure the dimension of the table in order to compare the actual dimension with this derived from this analysis. Percentile calculation are used to design object or space by considering economic value using anthropometric data. Dimension derived from the anthropometric data, measurement dimension about table weight, table height, table length, forest inclination, forest width, and forest height. This is the recommendation design for the technical drawing table. And the selection of percentile was made by considering the following factor about weight, table weight, final value around 65 centimeter to accommodate user with shorter arms reach for the comfortable use. Table height, a final value around 78 centimeter to ensure comfort for both shorter and taller users. Additional 10 centimeter provide knee and thigh clearance. Table length, final around 88 centimeter to provide sufficient work space for drawing and writing activities. For trace design, final value is about 17 centimeter height and 15 degrees inclination, and footrest with a final value around 14.5 centimeter. Okay, the last about a concussion, mind finding frequent muscular complaint about in neck area, shoulder, back, waist, buttock, and right hand. Risk level, Tusjadin in categorized high risk, Tusjadin categorized moderate risk. Rula Grand score equal 7. It means highest level of concern. And NBM and Rula results strongly aligned, confirming method reliability. For recommendation, in this study suggests table dimension is 65 centimeter width and 88 centimeter length and 78 centimeter height. Recommendation intervention is proper sitting posture, ergonomic training, adjustable furniture, and schedule breaks for release tension. Yeah. Follow-up study required to assess effectiveness of intervention. Contribution, unlike prior study, focusing the general classroom furniture and integrated both RULA and NBM for a more comprehensive assessment, unlike single method study. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.